Hi guys, Grudy's Racing Resto. Okay. Mess bench is being organised and cleaned and repurposed. Porting bench has been moved. Everything's changing. Welding gear will stay here. Lathe is gone. Stuff's happening. It's just taking time. I'm going to remove half of this wall. Give me some more room. Yeah, time to get it all clean. Enough's enough. Shit everywhere. So yeah, scrapped a bunch of power steer pumps. I've got a few left. I might scrap that tub full of engine mounts and shit that I don't need. That's what you got to do sometimes, just get rid of shit you're not going to use and reorganising oils, shelving, yada yada yada. Yeah. We're opening up a big area here. That's what the plan is. Should be done in about 2 weeks. And there should be a brand new lathe sitting here in the next 2 weeks too. Always shit to do. Have to get this car rolling. I need to clean. I need to get everything sorted and tidy. So that's what we're doing at the moment. Another scrap run. More shit to China. Yeah. Gypsy cat. Yeah, it's a dog's life. The apprentice laying out the front catching some sun. So there was a bit of a bonus this week. I found out what 4 of these shocks actually go to. R100, Mazda 1300. So I put them up for sale, 4 of them, and the other ones will go in the scrap. More scrap pumps. Yeah, it's getting there. So we've got this area here. Hold on, I'll go back this way. This area here, we're going to open this up. I'm cutting half of that bench off. I'm actually going to use this cupboard and we're going to burn that bench. And yeah, so we're going to cut this all the way across here and gain another whole car space in here that we can work on. So then we can have 3 or 4 cars in the workshop. There is always a plan. It's just sometimes it's very hard to execute. I need to make a rack above the mess bench, which is what I'm planning on doing by the weekend. And then all the steel, all the exhaust pipe, all goes in the rack above it. And then yeah, I'll have a rack underneath as well. So there's a lot of room there. And I'll have a steel rack under there. The plan's in action. It's just taking time. Things like this. This box was full. Emptied that. This box is full of really, really, really good stuff. There is so many bolts in there which I've been looking for, and seatbelt spacers and axle nuts and front wheel bearing nuts and all sorts of little shit. Yeah. So we're not far off making a decision on which lathe we're going. Looks like we're going with the Paramount Browns one. But yeah, thought I'd just do a walk around, show you guys I'm not just sitting on the couch eating chickadees. Well, you have a lovely day, and as always, thanks for watching. It's only going to get better, it's only going to get cleaner. Okay guys, enjoy the beautiful day.